The cookies look something like this, and it's very crunchy and it's very delicious, and I put chocolate chips in here. So I hope you enjoy.
Measure the ingredients. Add sugar. Beat butter and sugar until creamy. Add the beaten egg and mix well. In a strainer, put flour and baking powder and sift into the mixture. And mix well. And now add the chocolate chips and mix well. Cut the wax paper into small squares. Drop 1 tablespoon of cookie mixture on the wax paper. You can use any kind of microwavable plate. Place in the microwave. Microwave at 500 watts for 3 minutes. And now it's done!
You can dance, you can jive.
Microwave the rest of the cookies. Depending on the heat of your microwave, you can easily burn the cookies, so try for 2 minutes to see how they come out.
Digging the dancing queen.
Microwave cooks the cookie from inside, so it looks white, but it's baked inside.
Try